What I found particularly interesting is this idea, especially from Professor Krugman, that whatever happens on the financial crisis, the food crisis has not gone away. And I think that's the key message, that we mustn't really take our eye off the medium-term picture about the need to increase productivity, the need to produce enough food to feed the world. And I think it's important that people have underlined that here. But on top of that, of course, we've got the different European elements, and we've heard that in one of the issues about the environment and the role that farmers play as land managers. And I think this is one of the things that we're going to see more and more in Europe, this debate as we move closer to 2013, because the existing farm policy runs out then, and there will be this debate about what do we want our farm policy to do. And it's relatively clear from opinion polls and politicians that we're not going to see an exact continuation of the existing policy, and we're going to see much more a discussion about why do we want to pay this money, and are we going to pay the farmers for food production? Are we going to pay them for looking after the land, for looking after the environment? And these are the issues that we're going to see. I mean, it's for the next European Commission to discuss, which takes office at the end of this year. These are, of course, questions for the new European Commission, which takes office at the end of this year. But the debate is already starting, and it's quite clear that at the moment we have, shall we say, 40% of the EU budget going to agriculture. It's clear that in the longer term that can't continue, but the question is how we have change, and for example, if there's a greater emphasis on agricultural research and development, maybe some of the existing agricultural money can be ring-fenced for research and development in the agricultural sector in order to address productivity and therefore address the issues which we've been discussing here at this conference.